I'm Elfie. I'm here today to talk to you about my EM2 assignment. So, for my part one, to get an article, the claim is about Singaporeans working an average of 41.6 hours per week. And this is the URL. So, this is the data I collected. And yeah, so for the null hypothesis, I decided to, for the null hypothesis is 41.6. And since I'm doing a two-tail, for the alternate hypothesis, uh, null is, is not equal to 41.6. So for the mean, for the sample mean x, in order to get this, I decided to go for the average of this whole table. So it will sum up the whole thing and find the average. Then for the sample standard deviation, I also decided to go with the same table, but a different formula, which is STDEV, a short form for standard deviation. For population mean, it's basically the null hypothesis. For sample size, is I decided to go for the formula of count to count how many data I have collected. Significant level is 0.05. I decided to go for 5%. How I got 0.05 is that it's basically 0.5 divided by 100 to give that 0.005. For the test statistic, the first part is the sample mean minus the population mean. For the second part, the F10 square root F12 is from the standard deviation divided by the square root of the t, the sample size n. So yeah, and this highlighted part meaning is the standard error to calculate to get the test statistic. For the p-value, I basically did the formula with F14. F14 is right here, the test statistic, and the F12, which is the sample size. For margin error, is the confidence t. Then F13 is significant level, the standard deviation, and sample size n. Since p-value is lower than significant level, hence we can reject the null hypothesis. Since the confidence level of 95%, since null is 41.6 and is in the 95% confidence interval for me, there is no sufficient evidence to further reject the claim.